Hello everyone, how's everything? I hope everyone is doing okay, inshallah. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use Zoom from scratch in your classes. So let's start here creating a new meeting. So this is what we will see there. And here, some features that you have to know as a teacher and as a host in Zoom meeting. So let's start with the first one. This is how you turn on and turn off your microphone. So once you click on it, so here you go. This is how you turn it on. Okay, and this is how you turn it off. So simple and easy, right? The same with the cam here, but I cannot open the cam right now. So you will just click on it and it's خلاص, it's done, it's opened. Okay, here we have some features. You can blur your background, or if you'd like to use a virtual background, or if you'd like to use video filter, especially for ladies, or your avatar, you can find them all here. Okay. The next one or next icon here is participants. If you click there, you'll find all the people that are joining your class, or all your students will be here. Okay, and here if you click on invite, you will send copy invitation link if you would like to send your invitation or an invitation link for anyone else, like one of your students that doesn't know how to join or doesn't have the link. You can just simply click on copy invite link and send it via WhatsApp or email or anything else. Number two, you find here mute all. Maybe you have a chaotic class and all students are talking together, so you have just to mute them all and ask them to unmute themselves and speak one by one. So this is about participants. The chat here, you have a chat, the same as any social media application or platform. You can just send here messages to your students and all of them will see it at once. So you can drop down here whatever you need. Okay, and if you would like to send a picture, to send an emoji, or to send a file, totally fine, just to drop it here. And for example, one of your students doesn't know how to open the microphone, this is first time for him, and you would like to say something for him, you can just send it here in the chat box. Okay, next one, share. This is the most important, or this is the crucial feature that you have to know as a teacher. So here, if you see share screen, this is just, you will share the screen here, but I do not need to share the screen. I just need to share the PowerPoint presentation from my students and to start teaching them this lesson. And if you have a video like this, you have to make sure that you share the sound. You have to share the sound too. And now, if you just play this video, students will be able to listen to the video. Okay? So this is the first thing. And if you notice here, you will find screens, documents, and advanced. Hey, if you'd like to share a document from any of these websites, totally fine. And here, the advanced, I just know something here. If you would like to make your PowerPoint presentation as a background, you would just click on it and start downloading your PowerPoint presentation, and it will be in your background. We do not use it as teachers, but if you'd like to, totally fine. This is about sharing, and if you would like to share more than one thing, also fine to share. And if you'd like to share something but to share it with yourself and not for students, also fine, you can share something with yourself and not for students. Okay, so this is about share. Next one, you find host tools here, like things that you can let the students do inside the class, like for example, allow participants to share screen. So you can just let the students share screen if you'd like to. Let the students write or share in the chat. Rename themselves, because sometimes you find someone is called Zoom user. So you ask them to change their name. So here, give them like this option to rename themselves. And unmute themselves, give them also this option to mute and unmute themselves. Start video, and all these options are totally fine to open them all for students to use. Next one, this is a new one for AI, and you will just find this feature if you upgrade your Zoom account. Because I have an upgraded one, and this is for my company Englisher, so I use an upgraded one. And here in IA Companion, you can use to just write the summary of this meeting, and here ask meeting questions. I will write, I think, some questions. I didn't use it yet, but inshallah, I will try to use it in future. Next one, applications. And I like this feature so much because here, you as a teacher, you set time for each activity, right? So you need a timer for students. So you can click on this timer and you can share it with your students. Like, for example, I give them this activity for 5 minutes. So you just share it with them. I start counting down to tell the students that they have like 4 minutes left, 3 minutes left, 2 minutes left, and so on. Okay, so this is about timer. And what else do we have here? You have Kahoot. This is for games, as all teachers know. And this is for virtual background. And you have the same feature here in the video, but it's again here if you'd like to use any virtual background. And here it provides you with a lot of virtual backgrounds. Like, let's see here. You can find nature, interiors, art, and travel. Okay. What else here you can find? You can find music and group photo. If you would like to take a picture with your students, you can click on this one, and instead of just taking a screenshot, it will be done here once you click on this one and allow to use the picture. That's all about applications. Record. If you'd like to record the meeting on your computer, you click on here. If you'd like to record it on the cloud, you will click on here. Okay. Breakout rooms. This is one of the essential things that you have also to know. Here, this is how we send our students to the breakout rooms, like to practice together and to pair them up or to group them up. So how can we do so? Here, how many students do you have? Like, for example, I want to pair them up and I have 10 students. So you need to create 5 breakout rooms, each two in a breakout room. Assign automatically. And here, once you click on create, you will find the 5 rooms are here. Okay, and once you click, the Zoom will automatically put your students here in the rooms. Okay, you will find options here. Allow participant to choose room. I don't like this one because it will be chaotic one, and all students will jump from the room to another. So I'd like just to put them in one room. Allow participants to return the main session at any time. Once they finish, they can come back. Because I will not just to put them in jail, like in jail, you're right there for 5 minutes. Maybe they finish early. As you know, we have some early finishers, so what will they do there? I can get them back to the main session and give them extra activity or exercise to do. Automatically move all assigned participants into breakout rooms. So once you open it, or Zoom just put them there automatically. Here, this is your time. Like, for example, I want to assign them for 10 minutes. So you can change it. Totally fine to change the time that you need. Notify me when time is up as a teacher. Count down after closing breakout room. Set countdown timer. Like, for example, this will be like a reminder for students that this breakout room will close after 15 minutes, 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 10 seconds, and so on. I give it 15 seconds. Okay. Here, if you'd like to add another room, and if you would like to rename the room, you click in here. Like, for example, I want to give them a name like butterflies for ladies for sure. Butterflies. Click on it. It's done. This room, nobody's there. I would like to delete it. Delete. That's all. And then you open the rooms. Here, the students will get a notification to join the breakout rooms. They will click on join. That's all. And you can join the rooms to monitor your students. That's all. And you have an option also to close over the rooms. This is broadcast here. If you would like to send a message for all students, maybe you forgot to give them instructions, or you forgot something before letting them to go to the breakout rooms, you can send it here, a message or a voice. Then you close the breakout rooms, close all the rooms, then the students are coming back, but they have 15 seconds to come back. Okay, then show captions. This is for students. Maybe you're speaking too fast and students need to to see the caption so they can click on the caption. And this is for students, maybe. More here, things that we already talked about before. That's it. This is everything for Zoom, or these all are things that you want to know as a teacher. Last thing here, this is the view. If you'd like to see your students, because here I do not have anyone in the class. So here you can change it. So that will be the screen, and students, all the participants will be here, will be on the top, and here all the students will be beside each other. And here, yeah, it means that we have different views. You can just choose them once you have students in the class. Okay, so these are the crucial things that you have to know about Zoom to start your online classes. Thank you so much. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.